Hello, friends. Welcome. Good morning. Nice to see you all. Okay, so welcome to day three of life optimization, my dear friends. As I always say, if you can believe, you can achieve. If you don't believe, you can't achieve. So many people want something, but they are not able to achieve. Why? Because wanting from outside is okay, but there are internal roadblocks. And these internal roadblocks are not allowing them to achieve what they want in the life. Okay, so today's day three, we are going to dig deep about the happy lifestyle, stress free lifestyle, right? Namaste, Susagata. So, welcome to day three, how to live stress free life and build a better relationship with all. Present scenario, my dear friends, everybody wants to live a stress free life. Ask 10 people, do you have stress? Yeah, some or the other, some or the other. Okay, it may be because of the money, it may be because of health, it may be because of relationship, it may be anything, right? And my dear friends, I'm going to tell you the secret how we can live without stress. Okay, so very carefully, please listen till the end and write down whatever I'm going to talk about. Take a lot of notes, pause the video as and when required, and submit with the assignment which I'm going to discuss today. Okay, so first thing, root cause of all the stress. Number one, blaming. I'm not responsible, somebody else is responsible. What happens when that person changes? Your blood pressure goes up. I'm getting tense because of him. These things are getting disturbed because of him. Yes or no? Complaining and justifying. Not me, somebody else. Why you came late? Now, if 9 o'clock is the office time and person reaches late around 9:30, what happens? Because bus got punctured, right? There was a traffic, all this stuff, my dear friends, all this stuff. Okay, so friends, today itself, you have to write down your notebook which are the whole incidences for the last 7 days where you used to do blaming. You have to see your pattern. There's a pattern for sadness, pattern for happiness, right? Both the ways there are key elements. So complaining, find out last 7 days, reflect back in the life. Which are the incidences where you have the habit of complaining? Justifying. Be good. I'm not saying no, but don't keep justifying. It takes away a lot of energy, my dear friends. Okay. So this is the assignment for today. You have to reflect back in the past, and you have to check, and you have to find out how much you are trapped in blaming, complaining, and justifying. Okay. So, my dear friends, from today onwards, make a commitment that I am 100% responsible for my life and start taking massive action for betterment. Okay. It's very simple, my dear friend. Don't have to think too much. If you have to go to 1000 kilometer distance away, right? And you have only a mobile and a Google map to that, are you going to be worried? Not at all. It should have a device and an internet system. That's all. Just set in the device how to drive. The device will keep telling you take learn, take right? But when the device tells you when you reach that particular destination, otherwise it will not say anything. Similarly, in the life, if you want to excel, my dear friends, you all have to start moving forward. That is very necessary, my dear friends. If you're not moving forward, it's very difficult to get the next stage. Okay, so that's why I said knowledge important, yes. Skill important, yes. But massive action is even more important. Okay, let's go ahead. How the mind works. Okay, so you should have strong desire, and 100% belief, right? Because it has to go in the subconscious mind. You must have seen that many people are there, those who work hard, but still they are not happy. Too much of stress. By 25th of every month, there is no money in the account. They keep the stress, right? How to go ahead till the next salary. Okay, so a lot of stress. So there is a pattern from inside that has to be fixed up. Okay, so if you have doubt, what will happen? It will kill your whole energy, right? So zero doubt, 100% belief. So today is the day of the commitment, my dear friends. If you want to live a stress-free life, you have to commit today. Okay, commitment is the turning point of your life. Write down, write down. Okay, so what is the commitment? In your notebook, write down the statement: I, Dharmendra, is 100%. You write your name, not my name. I, Dharmendra, is 100% committed for my life, and I will do whatever it takes to become successful and happy. I, Dharmendra, is 100% committed for my life, and I will do whatever it takes to become successful and happy. Okay, my dear friends. Next, you have to make 5 journals: gratitude, affirmation, goal writing, victory logbook, and growth journal. You have to write down gratitude in the morning when you get up, affirmations as much as possible, goal, whatever you want in the life, 4, 5, 6, 10, whatever you want, write down it. Victory logbook before sleeping, whatever happened good for you, and a growth journal, how much you growed, maybe skill, maybe habit, maybe anything, my dear friend, anything. Think about it and write it down. Okay. If you cannot track, you cannot control, my dear friends. Life is all about tracking. Life is all about tracking. In bank we go, they keep a track how much you are paying, how much you are withdrawing. Yes or no? Same thing for the life also. You have to make a journal, okay, and you have to write every day of your track. Then only you can take a control of the life and you can live a happy life. Okay, question answers, if any, you can ask me on the WhatsApp, email. That's all for the day. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.